Hi, welcome to online digital marketing training and another live here. After a gap, we're doing the second class this. So I gave access to students to run the ads. We'll show you what they've done, how they've done, is there any mistake or not. So a temporary website they created because to run ads they need a website. So they created with this. Their goal was to run a search ad and generate leads. Someone searching online digital marketing training, they should come to this website. When they fill the form, they'll be getting a leads. This is the thing actually. So the main target was Hyderabad. Let's see how they set up the campaign. If anyone set up the campaign, you don't know, right, what they have done. So how to check? I'm going to show you. I don't know how the student have set up the campaign now. So how to check it? I'm going to show you. First of all, you just check here. It's clearly showing that the results are for 17th August. Okay. So check for last 30 days or else you check for all time. Then you'll come to know how much amount has been deducted.
Sir, I forgot to tell you, I just added another 500 rupees. Harsha just given me those money and I added into
I'm
it.
sorry. You? What?
No, sir, the Harsha's money. It's Harsha's money.
Babu, Kiran, all of you, good evening. Okay, I can clearly say is that total 2600 has been deducted and the cost per click was 116. Total 259 impressions and 23 clicks happened for the entire campaign. So I can see what happened here. So here two campaigns have run and most of the amount has been done this one, Dr. Batras. So here I'll tell you what mistakes students have done. I asked them to create a number of campaigns. So they created Dr. Batra campaign. So here you can see here, I can see only one campaign, but they have created one more campaign. They paused it actually or deleted. So if I click on all, I can see here, see Dr. Batra's Yashoda Hospital. So here also we got some clicks. So that's the reason. The important thing students have to learn is while you're creating a campaign, you might have created some other campaigns only for practice purpose, but you haven't paused, you haven't deleted. Then amount will be deducted for them as well. Now Dr. Batra got benefited 2,200 rupees being to that guy. It's benefit for him, but still okay, no problem. You will learn from the mistakes. So the how to pause it? Just click on this and pause it or remove it. So here they have removed it. It's showing that it's removed. Here also for them, 235 impressions, 19 clicks. Average CPC was 117. I want to see the campaign here. Hair loss. And you see here all the broad match keywords were there. Best hair treatment in Bangalore. Best hair treatment near me. This is also one good experience to learn. When broad match happened, what were the keywords I'm going to show you? So someone searching best hair treatment in Bangalore added up here, right? So this is the search keyword, means the keyword which you have given. But what people have searched, here is the search term. I'm clicking on this. What people have searched, you will get wonder. See, hair transplant cost Bangalore. You never typed this, but still it is coming. See here, you never mentioned the hair transplant cost in Hyderabad. Hair treatment near me, hair specialty hospital near me, but because it's a broad match, so many keywords should appear. Hair transplant cost, laser hair removal clinic, hair transplant cost, VK skin clinic near me, anti-dandruff treatment in saloon. See, there is not at all a related one. There is no hair salon, but still anti-dandruff. It's related hair, so it's coming. Best alopecia doctor, best hair doctor in India. Pawan, are you able to understand? Cutties hair transplant reviews, Dessange products, dermatology hair care. So this is the problem with the broad match. For irrelevant keywords, ad will appear. See Karnataka hair oil, Kaya clinic near me. So many irrelevant keywords ad will appear. That's why we should never use broad
Broad.
match. You clear? Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, this is our not main console. Let's go for a main campaign. So campaign. So this is the filter. Sometimes don't worry. Few of my campaigns I've created, it's not happening. Means maybe you might have put some filter. Only enabled means only enabled campaigns will be visible. So you just click on this, click on all the campaigns you will see here. But as of now, I want to go with these only. So I'm going with this. So ODMT Hyderabad, 500 per day, and we got 25 impressions, 4 clicks, only 4 clicks, and this is the cost happened 423 rupees. So I want to know which location is targeted, what is the bid strategy, what is daily budget. I can see this anyway. So how to check? Click on the campaign. Emmanuel Deepan, you should not use broad match. Never use broad match. Either you should use phrase match or exact match. Broad match will kill you. So just now I show an example. Yeah. So once you click on the campaign, then on top you have an option called more details. Click on that and click on edit in settings. So edit in settings. Now I can able to see. So the campaign name is given is this, and he's targeting Google search network only because by default ad will appear in search partners as well. You should uncheck that. It's good. Budget 500 per day. Bidding maximize clicks. Someone asking the question, Ravi Kumar, which bidding strategy? Maximize clicks is the best option. You can go with this. But max CPC is 145. So he always wanted to come on top. He gave 145 here. It started on 28th. There is no end date. If you want, you can give an end date as well. So it's not mandatory. These things are not required. Okay. Campaign. I checked it whether it is correct or not. If was there any mistake, I would have give resolution. Now want to see what keywords they targeted. Yeah. So digital marketing course in Hyderabad, digital marketing training in Hyderabad. Here also again keyword status enabled past. I don't know whether he deleted anything. So I'm checking all of them. Yeah, nothing. So 13 impressions for this and 14 impressions for this. And average CPC for this 104 and 110. Okay. Have you set up conversion tracking Pawan for this?
No, sir.
No, right?
No.
Okay, now once you run the campaign, very important thing is search terms. All of you know now. For what keywords my ad is appearing. Because yours is a phrase match, you will be safe. Don't worry. But still, people might type free digital marketing course, Google digital marketing course. I want to filter it. That's why I immediately go to search terms and check it out. So I'm going for a search terms. Yeah, let's see this whether it is good or not. Digital marketing course in Hyderabad, it's good. Training, placement in Hyderabad. Now try to understand. Here it's mentioning digital marketing course with placement in Hyderabad. You mentioned digital marketing course in Hyderabad. How come the placement is coming? According to phrase match, you can add anything before and after, right? You can't add in the between. Then why the ad is appearing? Why ad is appearing for this keyword? Digital marketing codes with placement in Hyderabad. Anyone guess, please? Because I told you, right? These days, phrase match and broad match modifier working closely. Even though you give a phrase match, Google is checking such a way that one, two, three, four, five. These four words customer should type, but he can type anything else as well. Like same like a, this is equals to. I'm typing here. We gave digital marketing codes in Hyderabad. This is equals to plus digital marketing codes in Hyderabad. So when customer is typing, he can use these words. Mandatory, these words should be there. Sequence doesn't matter. He can add any new things as well. So Google changed it. Everything is in Google hands on. That's why this keyword came. So I don't have problem with any one of them. All of them are good only. But I have a problem with this only. Salesforce marketing cloud training in help. I don't know why this is came. There was no clicks anyway, but still Salesforce should not come. Okay, that's why to be in a safe, try to use exact match. Anyway, there was no click, so there is no damage. As of now, it's fine only. Okay. Now, when it comes to this keyword, it's a phrase match. Status is eligible. But when it comes to this eligible, limited, rarely shown because of the quality score. So, what is this quality score? Why quality score come down? That I'll explain you tomorrow. That's an important topic. Actually, interview definitely they'll be asking you. Okay. Now, assume that you didn't like this Salesforce word. You want to block this. How to make it as a keyword? So the complete keyword Salesforce marketing cloud training in Hyderabad. You don't want to appear for this. So click on this, add as a negative keyword. So I'll go to the negative keywords list. I've already added free. Now added this one. It means someone searching again Salesforce marketing cloud training in Hyderabad, our ad will not appear. Okay, but he can type Salesforce marketing codes in Hyderabad. Only if he type, see, this is exact match. That's why it's better. You can add something like this Salesforce. In this also, phrase match, exact match works. If I mention Salesforce means anytime in the customer keyword Salesforce is there, ad will not appear. With a space and without space, I'm giving. Guys, you understood what I said about the negative match?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so search terms, negative keywords. Next thing is the auction insights. Auction insights is a place where you will see about your competitors. You can't see their bidding, but you will see how they are performing as compared to you. Let's see this. Yeah. So you will see all of the competitors who run ads. When you were running ads, how many of them run the ads? Simple Learn, Web Training, ISB, Upgrade, Migrate Learning. You means this is yours. Aesthetic Digital, AB Training, IntelliPath, Digital Nest, XLR, Elevate, MITS, Upgrade Campus. These are all the people. So directly you can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th rank you have as compared to all the 10 to 12 people, 14 people, you are in a 6th rank. Your campaign for performance is this. As you coming on top means your performance is really good actually. But you know what? These are all the famous Simple Learn, Web Training, Subgrad, Migrate Learning. You're competing with them as a beginner, it's good only. It's good. Let me go deeper into this. What are these elements? So, individual analytics has given simply learn, impression share, web training, impression share, overlap rate, position about top of the page, blah blah blah. Impression share nothing but how many impressions this guy is supposed to get. Generally, everybody supposed to get 100 impressions, but how many impressions they got? 55. You got 20. So you want to understand what is impression share? Put your cursor here. See, impression share is the number of impressions that you received divided by the estimated number of impressions that you were eligible to receive. This eligibility based on your current ads, targeting setting, approval statuses, bids, and quality score. This number is updated once a day. We can't see this anywhere. So Google is only. So according to them, 100 impressions you're about to get, but you got only 55 impressive to learn. When it comes to you, 20%. Okay, this is just impression only. Next, overlap rate. Overlap rate is nothing but you targeted the keyword called digital marketing course in Hyderabad. Your ad is appearing. Okay. When your ad is appearing, how many times Simple Learn ad also appeared? Overlap. When your ad is appearing, how many times this guy overlap with you? You can't overlap with you. That's why the numbers are nothing. It's dash. So 29% of the time, Simple Learn ad appeared. 37% of the time, web training ad appeared. They can be anywhere. They can be better than you or lower than you. Again, put your cursor here. Is how often another advertiser's ad received an impression in the same auction that your ad also received an impression. So all of them given. So 66%. So aesthetic digital appeared more time than any other else. Overlap rate is nothing but when your ad is appearing, other people ads also appear. Position above rate means your ad is appearing, but they performed better than you. You're coming on a second position, they're coming on a first. Or you're coming on seventh, they're coming on a sixth. Better than you. So position above rate. How often another advertiser's ad in the same auction is shown in a higher position than yours when both of your ads were shown at the same time. So Simple Learn never beat you. So you are performing better than them. Web trainings, 11% of the time they perform better. ISB 42% means 42% of the time they came better than you. Upgrade 33, migrate line 12, blah blah blah. So 0% means they never beat you. Next, see, you can't beat you. That's why the dash is there. Understand it. Top of page rate, absolute top of page rate. Top of page rate means total SERP. How many ads will be there, guys? In SERP, how many ads will be there? Search engine results page.
7, sir.
So what is the structure?
Top 3 ads, bottom 4 ads.
No, top
Sorry,
four
top 4 ads, bottom 3 ads.
and bottom three ads, right? Okay. So top of page rate means how many times your ad appear on a top four positions. Top four positions. Absolute top means exactly in a first position. Exactly in a first position, how many times it appeared. So let me check here. Top of page rate is how often your ad was shown at the top of the page in the search results. Absolute top. So it's a first. Just simply remember top four. This is the number one. So 92% of the time, Simplon appeared on a top four. When it comes to you, 91%. Exactly first position, you appeared 54% of the time on a first position because your bidding was very good actually. 144 is a good amount. But because our daily budget was very less, it exhausted very fast. So we only performing much better than others. Finally, outranking share mean nothing but you compared to Simple Learn. How much? You compared to web trainings. how you're performing. Is how often your ad ranked higher in the auction than the other advertisers ad, or if your ad shown when there was not. So 20% of the time our ad perform better than Simpler, 19% than web trainings in all the options. Guys, all of you understood what is the auction insight?
Yes, sir.
So auction insights gives you the numbers. You can check how you are performing. One second, guys, just be with me. Okay, guys. So, whether your campaign is going in the right way or not, how your competitors are performing, all the information you will see here. So, anytime you run a campaign, keep in mind that once you go to analytics, first go to the search keyword, what you targeted, and go to search terms, check for relevant keywords. If any relevant keywords are there, block them as negative keyword so that your campaign will be safe. Fourth, check auction insights. Auction insights. So how you're performing, what are your competitors? These are the mandatory things you should do once the campaign is done. Actually, conversion tracking is not set up actually. If conversion tracking is set up, you will see many things actually. Okay. How many conversions are coming? That will do the course anyway. Don't worry. I'll set up one campaign. In the campaign, I'm going to show you. Next thing is left hand side. You can also see devices information here. You just see a mobile devices 5 clicks. It means that most of the clicks are coming from a mobile device only, not on the computers. At least anyway, we got only 4 clicks. If the campaign run for 2 weeks with a good budget, then we can conclude whether to run ads on computers or not, or else we can increase the bid on mobile phones or not. But as of now, ours was a very less budget. That's why we can't conclude it. Okay. And after that, Pradeep, auction insights you can't check based on the keywords. I'll show you actually where to see campaign. So this is the campaign at campaign level, right? I'm at campaign level. Auction insight option is there. Are you getting? You're not getting. So let me click on the campaign. I clicked on the campaign. Now I'm at ad group. Let me check the auction insight. So here it is coming. Next campaign, ad group, keywords, auction insights. At both of the level it is coming. But you will not get it for every keyword. What all the keywords are there, you can't get it. It's not possible. Now this is the keyword. Now you can't get it actually. So for all the keywords only they'll give you. For every keyword. If you really want to know for every keyword, then put ad group. One keyword in one ad group. One keyword in ad group. In such a way, for 10 keywords, 10 different ad groups so that you can understand. I hope you got my point. Right. Next, once you run the campaign, when you open the dashboard, this is the overall dashboard where you will see the clicks and all. And you can see 17th August to 15th September. This is the all-time report. But if you want, you can today, yesterday, last 7 days reports, you can check it. Okay. You can download the complete report as well. When you click on the download, you can see the report as well. CSV or zip file. Just open and see all the data. Now here it's giving the campaign. Instead of going to all the options in the dashboard, they give glimpse of them. Next, what keywords you targeted, what keywords people have searched, search terms data. Again, if you click on that, it will go to the search terms only. And available funds as of 15th September. As of now, 500 rupees are there. I'll check it actually. Then how your ad is appearing on devices. If you click on that again, it will go to the device report only. Which age group will your ad appear more? If you click on gender and age, it will go to that particular option. Where your ad appeared mostly, Google search or search partners. Which time you're getting more clicks. This all data is very important so that you will plan better for the next campaign. Now let's see this. Gender, when I click on gender and age, see left hand side, which option it is going, let's see. Yeah, you can see that clicks came, male has clicked one, male, male, all males only clicking. I don't know what females are doing. Yeah, one female has clicked, and age is 35 to 44. And they, what is their household income also it is saying 31 to 40%. And what is the CPC? So how do they know about the gender, age? These are all things we're gonna learn in the future sessions. Okay, this information, our data is very less actually. If data is more, I can think that whether females are clicking more or males. Assume that females are not at all clicking. Then next time when I'm running ad, I'll block my ads to the female. And age group also I'll check. Age group 18 to 24, assume that they're clicking more, but they're not converting. Whereas 24 plus clicking and converting, then we should block the 18 to 24. So in such a way, all these analytics are really important for you. Okay. Next, there is an option called recommendations. Click on this recommendations option. So Google suggests you to do something. So get more clicks on your responsive search ads by improving your headlines and descriptions. So he's saying that, see, add strength. We gave only three headlines. He's asking you to add more. But you can ignore. If the ad strength is less, also no problem. All the recommendations you don't have to listen. But 15 headlines, if you give short, it's waste. So this messaging, he's asking to download the app. Next is structured snippets are missing from one campaign. So add extension. I told you right. Site link extension, call out structure snippets are missing. So he's asking you to add that structure snippet. And site links are missing for one campaign. So Pawan, you haven't created site links?
No, sir.
Okay,
I
so
have not.
the site links you're not giving, it is telling you to give. And he's also asking you to run your ad on partner. Like apart from search network, this you can ignore.
Okay.
So all the recommendations are not important, but see the valid importance are structure snippet is missing, site links are missing. So
We
you have
only
to
have
add.
one page, sir. So I didn't add anything. I have. We only have one page. Like we created only
Acha.
one page.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, makes sense. But remember, when you create a new campaign, you should add.
Okay.
Next is asking to update your tax info, but we're not registered, so it's okay. Review your account with us. So when you create a campaign, sometimes Google appoint a representative. So you're getting so many doubts over there. Then you can schedule a meeting so that you will be getting a call. So you can discuss all the things with them. But most of the time, this Google representative, they'll tell you increase your daily budget, increase your CPC because they want more money only. You
Yes.
just listen to them but don't apply. But try
Okay.
to clarify your questions. Only use this to clarify your questions only. And you have a big problem, you don't have any solution, then use this. But don't listen to them about increasing a daily budget because they are salespeople. They want to get more money from you. That's not good. So now, if I select a time, uh, today is 15th, right? Now, see, we don't have any schedule in this week. Next week only they gave. Let me give 12 p.m. September 21st. Let's see whether we're getting or not. Pawan AMT. Let's see whether you get an email or not. That's why I'm typing this. You will get a call. Just ask some random questions.
Okay, sir. I'll answer.
What is your phone number, Pawan?
9248 35 8070, sir.
0.
70.
Let's see. Schedule a meeting. Yeah, they're experts. Sometimes the resolution will happen, but most of the time they want to take money from you. Okay, this is done. Now want to check the balance, tools and setting, billing summary, available funds are there. You have 500 rupees. But is the ad is appearing right now?
Yes, it is. It is appearing. I just searched it.
Today also one click you got.
Okay. No, sir. The money I just added the money few minutes ago.
Okay, ad is running. Okay, good. I'll check it actually.
Okay.
So digital marketing course in Hyderabad. So I told you right, you can check in Google digital marketing course in Hyderabad. But so as of now, we're not appearing. Okay.
It
So
appeared to Harsha, sir. He just searched it. No, don't click.
Pradeep, yes, structure snippet appears when your ad appears. So I'll tell you, I'll ask you to research actually. I'm searching, my ad is not appearing. I want you to find 5 reasons why, 5 reasons why your ad is not appearing. Let me know tomorrow, guys.
Okay, sir.
Oh, for her side is appearing, for me it's not appearing. I want to know 5 reasons why your ad is not appearing. Let me know tomorrow.
Sir,
Now this
try
is one way.
replacing the word course with training.
Course with
Training, sir. Like that,
training.
delete the course and try. The spelling was wrong.
Okay, it's not coming. It's okay. There might be reasons. I'll tell you the 5 reasons tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
And this is one way. Another way is we discussed, right? Tools and settings, Does anybody remember how to check whether your ad is appearing or not? Planning, ad preview, and diagnosis.
Okay.
You remember, guys? This ad preview and diagnosis.
No.
So if you check on Google, impressions will count. So it's always good to check here. Okay. So here, see, all the keywords will be there. So digital marketing codes in Hyderabad, it will tell you. See, it's showing that your ad is showing. Your ad is showing. And here I can check it. So on the first place only it is coming. Digital marketing codes in Hyderabad, it is appearing. So why you have to check here? Because when you check here, assume that your ad is appearing, impression is coming, but you never click on that. So impressions will increase, clicks will come down, your click-through rate will come down. I'll explain about this tomorrow. But the best way to check whether your ad is appearing or not, so go to tools and settings, ad preview and diagnosis, and here just check all your keywords you can see. What all the keywords are there? Now see digital marketing codes, right? Let me check digital marketing training in Hyderabad. So it's showing that your ad is showing, and you can see here as well. So on the first place, and this is not clickable. This is how you can check. Remember the ad preview and diagnosis. Okay, now we can able to see your campaign performance, how it is happening. Tomorrow, again related to search network only, I'll talk about quality score, ad rank, CTR, actual CPC calculation. Most of the mathematical work will be there tomorrow, but this is really important. Once it is done, your search network is done. Now you can happily mention your resume that Google Ads was done. You can apply for a job because any jobs they look for search network only. And after tomorrow, we'll start display network. So any questions so far, guys? Any questions so far?
No, sir.
So from tomorrow onwards, our class will be at 5:30, guys. Because 6 to 7 less for me because 7 o'clock I have another class. Please be there 5:30. Online students also, our class will be at 5:30. In the future, we may bring down to 5 as well. As of now, we'll start with the 5:30 so that we'll have more time. Okay,
Sir, we'll
Pawan?
be available at 5, sir. We can start the class at 5.
If all of you are okay, we'll be okay with 5 as well.
Yeah, we 3 are okay. We should ask Tanushka and other person.
Okay, please check with them. As
Okay.
of now, Lakshmi, are you okay with 5 o'clock?
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Then class will be at 5 o'clock, guys. All of you join by 5 o'clock from tomorrow. Okay? Chalo, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow class is very important. This is more of advanced. Definitely, mm, no interview will end up asking these questions. Definitely, they'll ask you what is quality score, how Google calculate quality score, how Google calculate actual CPC, and all this. Okay? Chalo then. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.